going to make lentil soup mixed with vegetables. The soup is really good. It is delicious and healthy, and if you're trying to maintain your weight like I usually say, or trying to lose weight or toning up, this is the perfect soup. So before we do anything else, let's just make the soup and try it. Oopsie! You're going to need some celery, carrots, some pepper, onion, and tomatoes, and of course you're going to need some lentil as well. Today I'm using the green lentils, so if you want to use red lentils, any other color, it's fine. And I'm going to use some chicken broth as well, but if you want to use vegetable broth, it doesn't matter, it's up to you. Or if you just want to use water, you can use just water. I'm gonna mix water with chicken broth. Let's start by adding some olive oil in a hot pan. Not too much, okay? And then you can mix all the vegetables together. And let the vegetables cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. Now I am going to add some spice. In here I have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then I'm gonna add some of my seasoning to it. Not a lot. And then I am going to add the lentils. You can choose to soak your lentil for like 8 hours. That's what I do. Or you can just choose to not soak them at all. So it's up to you. It doesn't matter. You're still gonna end up with the same result. Mix everything well together. And now I am going to add some chicken broth. You guys can choose to add some ragu or tomato paste. It's up to you. I like the taste of ragu, so I'm gonna add ragu instead of tomato paste. But if you like tomato paste, feel free to add some tomato paste. That's it. Here we will let it cook, then we will be back to check. And now guys, I am going to add some cumin powder. Just a little bit, half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And add some ginger powder as well. A little bit of ginger powder, just for taste. I am going to add some sea salt now. You don't have to add too much. I am going to add some lime now. Stir it a little bit. If you feel like you need to add more salt and you feel like you need to add a little bit more seasoning, just don't be afraid to do this. Just do it the way you like it. You don't have to do it exactly how I make it. If you like a little bit more seasoning, add a little bit more seasoning. If you want to add a little bit more salt, add a little bit more salt. So that's all I'm gonna say. So me, I feel like I need a little bit more seasoning in mine. I am going to add a little bit more. Make it tasty, but don't make it too salty. Just because you are eating healthy doesn't mean your food has to be boring and tasteless. This is the final result, guys. The soup looks so good, it tastes so good, and smells so good. Oh my god, I cannot wait to eat it. add a little bit of parsley. And voila! I hope you can try to make it on your own and enjoy it as much as I'm going to enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, guys, and I will see you next time on my next video. Bye! Take care!